Hey friends! Today we're unboxing a super fun foam shaped building block set. 30 giant pieces. I'm so excited to check these out because the colors are so bright and happy. Look at that, it's like a rainbow of building fun. These blocks are made from foam, but they're not too soft. They're nice and squishy, yet firm enough to stack and build tall towers. And don't worry, the edges are soft, so nobody's going to poke an eye out or get hurt. Oh, and no funny smell either, which is great. What I really love is all the different shapes you get. Here's a square with little circles cut out that you can pop out. How cool is that? You can mix and match to build all sorts of creations. There's triangles and cubes and so many different pieces. The possibilities are truly endless. I'm taking all of them out one by one so you can see. These feel super sturdy and strong. I think they'll totally survive even the most playful toddler. And look at the colors again. I cannot get over these colors. They're just so fun. Everything fits nicely inside this carrying case too, so you can clean up and take them anywhere. Playroom, grandma's house, even bath time since they're foam. Now here is my little masterpiece. Okay, maybe not perfect, but hey, I had fun building it. And that's what counts, right? So, that's the 30-piece foam building block set. Colorful, soft, and super fun for building anything your imagination dreams up. It's great for playtime, learning colors and shapes, or even as a birthday gift for little builders. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.